The Soviet Union agreed to remove its missiles from Cuba, and so the world avoided a nuclear holocaust. But in order to get the Soviets to pull their missiles out, we had to make a...
No, kapag unemployed ka, parang normal ka lang din, no? Kumakain ng tama, no? Dito, 7 days a week.
Entrance hall. Dito na.
Nila. What? Seryoso? Game of the year ng ano to? During the time, no, nung 2010, ang game trailers was Easy Allies ngayon.
when the time is right.
Gotcha. Getting back to the subject.
Yes, kakasimula lang natin.
Feed myself.
You've been issued a knife and a tranquilizer gun.
Yung 25 minutes na yan.
You'll also find some...
But sa zero interest. Merong zero interest? Ano SPay? Ba't may SPay yung HK? Addict to si Migs. HK, anong HK to si... dito despite of yung condition hindi maganda, 'di ba? Tapos walang motivation, 'di ba?
Guys are still they're still down there. I can't stop.
You've done enough.
And still keep the gun steady. That way, I can instantly switch between a gun battle and a knife fight.
Before ng release date talaga, available na yung game do sa mga emulator. So isipin mo na lang, 'di ba? Isipin mo na lang kapag naging widely known tong emulator na to.
The old cart tracks collapsed. It looks recent. Guess I'm not going that way.
Nangyari, yung NFT mo for the digital version ng Final Fantasy VII Reborn, no, is ibebenta mo doon sa community. Kunyari, nag-posting
on the other side of the mountains. A sinkhole swallowed them, releasing them into the underground tunnels that led east and out into the Daunt.
So it was an accident. But let us...
I've been told that Adam has infiltrated Volgin's ranks. I've also arranged for him to provide you with an escape route. You'll need to rendezvous with him when you get there.
Gusto mo, kalaban siguro to.
Excellent. A great success.
Is that how I get to Barren Light?
Yes, I mean usually, but not today. Not yet.
And why is that?
Well, the Daunt. The whole valley.
The new blood has been rejected.
Anyway, right now, I'm just worried about those refugees out from Sunfall. To come all this way enduring Forge knows what.
Shadow Carja refugees.
Kung isipin mo, may mga Nintendo games na i-re-release, 'di ba? 2 weeks pa lang or maybe a month.
Ay, may item. Ang haba na ito chapter 6 ah.
And for the good of all. I carry those words with me. On the hunt. No matter where it takes me. And now...
Sa implementation ng Web3, no, pwede mo na magawa 'yon. No, pwede nang maging tradable yung game mismo itself. No, pero yung tinitrade dito is hindi yung mismong pinaka-X, but
pwede na natin itong tapusin habang hindi pa nag-stream si Bobby. Okay guys, see you later. Mamaya tingnan natin kung matatapos natin to.
Of hell itself. It's raining blood.
Baga ang point doon, nag-spark siya ng interest sa marami. So nagkaroon ng parang surge of demand. Then syempre yung mga someone no na in control dun sa supply ng mga ganitong
Nakuha ko na to. Dito na may golden bulbul. Hello, sir. Ang guys wala akong kape ko. Kanya-kanya pa kayo dalang pamalo
redeem lang kayo. Oh. Ganun ang meta. Oh, ilang oras na tayo? Ilang oras na tayo sa walang katuturang podcast, joke lang. PS3. I played Far Cry. Shooter din siya, first person, 'di ba? Saka yung mga Call of Duty during the PS3 days like Black Ops. Pwede rin makuha ng other client yung nasa sayo, no? Papunta dito yung data. O kaya pwede rin galing doon sa mismong server. Feeling mo hindi nag-work, no? Para hindi nila maintindihan yung corporate word. 'Di ba? Siguro, yes, that's the thing, no? Na parang hindi nila maintindihan yung corporate
Sexy Tari.
So, ito yung nasa NES tsaka SNES ata na games. So, it's time to redeem. Diba? I mean, why not? O, yun o. Castlevania Collection.
Kuwabara, Kuwabara.
Not too bad.
Gusto mo na yan, shooting at putukan. Syempre, di ba? Lalo na ngayon, yung mga shooty bang-bang ngayon, di ba? Haptic na. Oh. At kaya maglaro ng pag-haptic, no? Feel na feel kasing value siya. Monetary value or let's say, what do you call this? Academical value, tama ba?
yung takot lang. Yung putang ina, namamalo pa kayo, nananakot na nga kayo.
What will you do now?
I have to head west. Hopefully this rite of passage is still good. For what I'm after, I'll cross all of Tanak's territory if I have to.
Then you have a lot.
Yun.
Free account meron ka, sir? Oh, meron ko R1, R2, R3, meron din L1, L2, L3. Grabe, sir. R1, yes, US. Yung R2, UK.
Well, speak. Answer me. Let me speak. While falling.
Kasi dahil komportable na tayo sa ganito. Pero once na mag-migrate tayo dito sa tinatry kong i-propose na solution, no, it's something na mahirap siyang gusto mo siyang ibenta para at least meron kang bagong laro para, alam mo yun, diba? May bagong laro na bibilhin tapos gusto mo ibenta yon. So, yun.
Is that all you got?
Dito yata ako pupunta. Yung double door.
Okay sa'yo. Diba? Okay sa'yo eh. So parang ikaw, as someone na you like the game that other gamers, no, hindi nila mag-gets or hindi nila i-solve din yun pag ganun. Kasi sinasabi nila, unhinged daw yung mga reviews nila, or at hindi naman reviews, but yung parang take nila. Kasi parang yung community, yung gagawin nila itong preservation na to itself. No? I mean, if iti-take seriously nila yung mga definition dito, like taking care of the source code, no, yung mga digital card, video game collection. Ang pinaka problema dyan is parang ang video games kasi is ginagawang commodity.
ここにいたことがある。
Sa Digital Foundry. Ako, I watch their content, no, and I know, I trust them, no, when it comes dun sa parang technicality ng game. Pero sometimes, I totally disagree sa mga takes nila. Totally, wala na siya doon sa origin, no, but matatransfer yung parang, let's say, yung content doon sa destination niya. Yun yung something na, mahal bang mga expenses, sir? Pero 2 weeks, tagal nun. Kasi ako nung nagpunta ako doon, 3 days lang. Kasi within the city lang naman eh. Although plano pa nga mabili. Wala muna akong mabibili sa 13-month ko. Punta ako ng HK. Uy! Grabe naman si sir. Sama sir. Taray, 2 weeks ka sa HK. Ano?
They've also put us in touch with a couple of insiders.
Insiders?
There was a defection in September 1960. Do you remember it?
You mean the 2 NSA codebreakers who...
Gusto mo maglakad, sir? Para ka naman naglalakad sa bundok niya. Nakita mo nangahampas nga yung mga multo eh. Yun.
You wanted to speak to me?
Well, not just the best. You,
who?
I've heard that it's out and only you have 3. My guess that
who would I?
Kaya block na agad yan. No? Unsubscribe. Report. Diba? Report agad.
What are we going to do with the girl?
Who is she?
Policy is more like a physical, no, especially during the ancient times, no, very physical. Pero ngayon kasi meron tayong mga credit cards, diba? So
That did it.
Don't forget your gear. Here, give me a hand.